Hey guys, I came here today to show you one of the amazing collections, art collections, automotive, anything related to automotive, you'll find it inside, and you'll see some amazing vehicles inside. Mostly is a Porsche collection. It's a coffee shop. It's an amazing place if you are a gearhead and you like to surround yourself with art and anything related to automotive. It's placed in Dubai behind Volkswagen showroom, يعني behind the main road of Sheikh Zayed Road, and it's called Mille Miglia. So let's go inside, see the photo shoot inside, and see the collection. So as you see, it's more of an art collection more than a car collection. Oh, finally they opened the lights. Oh man. Anyhow, I'll try to take more photos about it. But if you see, it's more of a art collection than a car collection. It's a gallery, it's an art, it's a place to inspire and to feed your desire of art, of design, of automotive. So if you really need to, increase the juices of art, of design, of amazingness everywhere, come here. See, Marilyn Monroe collection, tennis. It's not only related to cars or automotive. It's an art gallery. I can say that it's an art gallery with a hint of caffeine, of coffee, to really move these juices. So if you come to Dubai, don't miss it. You will really feel inspired and an amazing place. I hope in the future I can visit the other collections that they have and to photograph more and more of their amazing rides.
Because I remember the SF 1000.
Carrera GT, a 918. I believe it's a GT2 RS. I'm not sure it's a GT3, GT2 RS. It's GT3. and the other one is 4S Targa, and an amazing GT2 RS also. So, what, two GT2 RSs, one GT3, GT4S 918, and the GT. What an amazing collection!
It's a very special car. It's the Heritage Edition. Yeah, they made 992. It's the latest 992 Heritage Edition. It comes in a maroon color, red maroon. He changed it and he made it silver. Yeah. The darker. No, he changed the color. Exclusive, Porsche exclusive.
What an amazing taste of art from the owner. What amazing collection. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I see you soon.